Alright guys, it is time. I'm in the salon chair. I'm with Chuck over here. You want to say hi and introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Chuck.
Yeah, and I'll link it down below so that you can see like the whole process, because his video is probably going to be more in depth than mine. But yeah, this is going to be exciting.
Have you ever had your hair colored before?
I have.
Okay.
Like a really long time ago.
Gotcha.
And I did ombre and it was the worst thing I could have ever done. So
Okay.
that's why I'm traumatized. But I know balayage is like a world of difference, you know what I mean?
So tell me what you sent me quite a few pictures.
Mm-hmm.
What do you love about those pictures, or what I guess?
I think I like ashy, if that is
Absolutely.
the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I definitely want it to be subtle, but like I want it to look like I did something to my hair too.
Right.
I don't know. I think I need some assistance.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
Today, something very exciting is happening. I am dyeing my virgin black hair with Chuck Edwards. Somewhere back there mixing the dye, but yeah, I'm really excited. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll probably be here for like 3 hours, so, you know.
I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do, to do. There's no mountain I won't climb, be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
Let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head.
Oh my god. It looks so good. It looks so good. This is literally perfect. Yeah. Literally perfect. I feel like it's not like you can't even like tell really, but like you
where
can
it starts
tell.
and stops, it's just
Yeah.
kind of melty, chocolatey
Oh
beautifulness.
my gosh. Oh my god, it's really pretty. This is literally like everything I've ever wanted. I love it.
I'm so glad that you
Oh
like
my gosh.
it.
Yes.
I'm pretty in love with
pumped.
it too.
Yeah. Oh my god. Wait, can we take some after pictures?
Oh, for sure. For sure.